Do you have 3 minutes? What if I told you that 3 minutes with ADHD can be one of the best things that can change the way that you organize and get more done? This is about the 3 minute rule. Now, what the 3 minute rule is, if you could do something within 3 minutes, go ahead and do it now. You don't want to wait around and do it later, because if you can do it quick, you get it over quick and that thing is done, it's complete. Instead of actually seeing that thing or something and saying, I'm going to come back later and do it later, that can be a real issue because of the fact that sometimes we just don't come back and do things later, right? That if you see something that might take longer than 3 minutes, then this doesn't apply at all. You think about, do you want to do that other thing that's going to take a longer time later, or you might want to do it right then and there because you do have the time to do it. Now, one of the great things about this is it just helps you to avoid being bored organizing for a long period of time. You go into your room, you look around, you see your room is a disaster or it does have to be organized, and it's going to take you a long time. And that can be a boring activity for you. You get started organizing your room and you get bored because there's a lot to do on this side, a lot to do on that side, and it's just a daunting task for you. I've been in that situation, so maybe you've been in that situation too. Or you do something that you see you can get done within a minute, 2 minutes. Go and do that task and you're done and complete. And the cool thing about it is you don't have to worry about the thing anymore. You don't have to worry about forgetting that thing or forgetting to do that thing. And think about this. When you're going to complete the task, this task is going to be easy for you to complete. You know that you can complete it without really having a lot of effort to do the task, because you wouldn't be able to do it in 3 minutes if it was hard. You wouldn't even be motivated to do it if it was hard to do in 3 minutes. You would just stress yourself out, right? So it's going to be something that's going to be an easy thing for you to complete. And that's a great thing. And the other thing about this is, that this task is going to be easy to understand within 3 minutes. You don't want to waste time trying to sit there and figure out something. If you're thinking about cleaning out the dishwasher, folding clothes, anything super easy, you're not going to get confused about those things. You know exactly what you need to do. And that's one of the best feelings, because you don't have to really think about it. It's automatic. You've done it before, probably thousands of times. And that is what you want to do in those 3 minutes. Things that that you can do in that amount of time, because you're not thinking this is going to take me 15 minutes to an hour. It only takes you a little bit of time. And that's a good thing. And this is one of the best things about doing this. Every time you complete a task that you're doing within 3 minutes, you're going to get dopamine. You're going to get that sense of accomplishment. We can all use a little more dopamine in my life or in your life when you have ADHD. It's a good thing to find some way to do things that bring you dopamine. And completing little tasks around your home can do that. And then every time you complete one, you get a little bit more. So it gets you into momentum as you go through and complete one, figure out, oh, I did this in 2 minutes, and I can go and do this other thing in 2 minutes. And then within 30 minutes or 15 minutes, you've done a whole lot of things. You just keep going and figuring out, I can do a lot of this stuff because it's all super easy for me to complete. And that gets you just rolling. And once you get rolling, you know how many other things that you will get done just by doing a lot of different tasks 3 minutes at a time. And here's something else. Little things can lead to big wins. So all these little tasks you're doing, eventually you'll get to 5 and 10 and 15, throughout your day, or even throughout your week. You'll just keep doing more and more and get so much done. And at the end of everything, you've done a lot when you look back on the week, or back on the month, or even back on the day, and realize how much more you got done. And now the other part of this is, little things can also create big problems for you. If you just go by something, that you can do it, and you just put it off, and then you keep putting off additional things, and then all those things piled up become one big issue, big problem. You don't want to get into that situation, because then you have to go through and organize and declutter a big problem instead of all the little different tasks that you could have done throughout the week or day to get everything done. And that is why you want to do these, because generally all these things are easy things that you can do, and they don't take a lot of time, and they're going to prevent you from having to go through and do all the organizing at once. That's going to take you 3 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, or even 30 minutes. instead of just doing a little bit at a time. And by the way, if you're enjoying this, go and subscribe to the channel for me. Now, the next thing is get a sticky note, and on that sticky note, write, what can I do within 3 minutes? This is a great way to remind yourself as you pass by and see it. It reminds you, think about things that you can do and complete within 3 minutes or less. And that is just a quick way to jog your memory that there are things that you can do, and you might think about something right then that you need to do right then because you don't want to just put it off anymore. And we all need reminders, especially when you have ADHD. It's good to have something to remind us, right? And here's a question for you. What can you do right now within 3 minutes? You're thinking right now, what can you think of that you can do and complete within 3 minutes or less? And what you want to do is write that thing down in the comments. And also, if you want to go ahead and do that task right now, go ahead and do that task right now. Now, I do have another video that goes over a lot more of organization and decluttering hacks and tips. I'm gonna put that video up. I think you'll enjoy it. Go ahead and watch that video and let me know how you like it.